Khalil Gibran says, your friend is all your needs answered. But what if there is a rupture in that friendship? We talk about friendship breakups.
How do we handle being ghosted by a long-term friend?
How indeed. There is so much history, there is so much emotional investment, there is so much warmth, there is so much that you have shared. And now your friend acts like they don't care, that you are no longer a part of their present. You accept it. But it doesn't make your friend a past tense. It keeps the friendship, which is perhaps not a dynamic presence in your life right now.
How do we differentiate between going through a rough patch and a friendship having ended?
Oh, friendship is all about fighting. It is about having differences of opinion, not talking to each other, being mean with each other. But that should be resolved after you meet up or after you connect, you cry and you talk about it. So friends, I feel, are worth fighting with and are worth fighting for. The friendship ends when we feel that our friend doesn't care for our well-being anymore. Because remember, it is about your needs also. But if you feel that your friend has become far too removed from you emotionally to care about you, that is when friendship ends.
Why does a friendship breakup hurt so much?
Of course it hurts. It is that one friend, one constant that has seen you through it all. Your low patches, your insecurities, has held your hand, cried with you, been with you. There is so much of the past. There is so much of your feelings. So of course, it hurts when it breaks.
What can I do to handle the grief of losing a friendship?
First of all, hold space for yourself. Understand that you are mourning the loss of a person who was very, very, very dear to you. So give yourself time. But also, it does not mean that there was nothing. There was a lot. Cherish the shared history. Cherish the friendship when it was there. But also make space for something.
How do we learn to trust new people without projecting our past onto them?
It is a leap of faith. Take it. Friends make your life better. Friendship is a solid relationship, emotional bond that you need. So go out there. I'm sure there are other friends who are willing to witness your life with you.